Welcome back to Impact Math with Miss Taylor. Alrighty, we have an Asvab angles, okay? So this mini lesson is going to be on angles and the type of problems that you can get for geometry. So number one, identify the angle, okay? So they have this picture here and you have to know these important vocab, okay? So let's break them down. If we're going straight for the answer, this right here, this little box means 90 degrees. And 90 degrees is a right angle. So D would be our answer. But let's talk about what the rest of these are. So acute angles are any angle less than 90 degrees. Okay? So it's between 0 all the way up to 90, less than 90. Obtuse is 90 to 180, okay? So it has to be less than 180, but greater than 90, okay? So greater than 90, less than 180, all the angles in between. Now, complementary, some people might get confused and circle complementary, but what complementary it means is 90, but it's the sum of two angles. So it's the sum of two angles that add up to 90. So for example, complementary angles will be 45 and a 45. Because 45 plus 45 gives you 90. So it's two angles, not just one here. So that's why it's a right angle. Alrighty, let's jump to the next. What letter represents the vertex? Okay, so vertex, you have to understand this vocab word. A vertex is like a point. It's like you could say two rays where they meet. So the vertex would be D, okay? Right here is the vertex. So this would be the vertex, okay? All right, on to the next. Number 3, what is the measurement of angle D? So they want us to find how much this right here, this angle is, angle D, okay? Now, they give us a little bit of information. They say this amount of the circle is 310. Well, all circles add up to 360 degrees, all circles, okay? No matter what size, how small, how big they are, they're always adding up to 360. So if this is 310, well, how far is 360 from 310? So we can minus that. We can do 360 minus 310, and we would get 50. So A would be our answer for angle D. This has to be 50 degrees. Thank you so much for your support, for watching my videos thus far. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share and leave a comment. All right, let's go on to the next. Number 4, what is the measure of X? All right, so these angles right here are called something, and it starts with a V. And if your mind is saying vertical angles, wonderful, okay? If it's not programmed to start saying vertical angles. So vertical angles are always congruent. So if this is 85, then this side has to be 85 as well. So A would be our answer because these angles are vertical. And vertical angles are the same. They're congruent, okay? Which this symbol means congruent, which means the same. All right. And let's go to our last. Okay, the angle shown below is an complementary angle, supplementary angle, acute angle or obtuse angle. All right, so they have this picture here, okay? So if you're saying D is your answer, wonderful, okay? If not, it's okay. We're going to learn. So an obtuse angle is an angle that's greater than 90, but less than 180. Okay, and so here it's bigger than 90, but it's less than 180. An acute angle is from, it's an angle less than 90 degrees. Okay, and since this is greater than 90 degrees, that's why C it doesn't make sense. Complementary, remember, we clarified this in the very beginning, two angles that add up. So it's two angles that add up to 90. And this is way bigger than 90. Now, supplementary angles, some people might get confused here because they think of 180, but this is less than 180. 180 would have to be a straight line. So this is two angles that add up to 180. Okay. All righty. I hope this helps. Have a wonderful, blessed rest of your day. And thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, and I will catch you on the next one.